In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combo in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to talk about comboing in Heroes Battlegrounds, how you can do it, and where to find different combos that you can learn. Now, usually, a combo is going to be useful because this will allow you to do a lot of damage on your opponent, and depending on the specific combo that you choose, your opponent will not be able to retaliate. So you can do a lot of damage back to back to back, and they won't be able to escape from you. But you need to learn the timings and do it properly. Now, for this video, I'm just going to give you general instructions, and I'm not going to go too deep into specific combos. I recommend that you look for a specific combo on a specific character. So for example, if you really like playing Split Eyes, go ahead and look for those combos instead of looking for how to combo in general. Now, I'm going to show you an example of a combo on screen. This one is titled the Valyr's Combo. You can find all of these combos that I'm going to be talking about in this video on the Heroes Battlegrounds fandom wiki. And there are a lot of combos to explore. These are combos made by the community, and for this one, you are going to do 3M1s, jump and then do a down slam, do the Delaware with the air variant, do a Detroit while in the air, 3M1s, slam, taxes, one more M1 into an uppercut, and finish with a Manchester. Like I mentioned in the title of this video, the main purpose of combos is to keep your opponent occupied. You will be able to chain them into a lot of actions back to back to back, so they can escape easily unless they know how to properly get out of these combos. And like I said, because there are various different combos for various different characters, it is going to be best if you look for a specific combo on a specific character that you like. By going over to the Heroes Battlegrounds wiki, you will be able to find many different combos to aid you in combat. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.